drop you later.
Okay.
Take a look at that fish.
There you go. Perfect. Sun's trying. Hard right, hard right, hard right. Nope, nope. Hard right, hard right. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm away. Yep. Woo! Yep. Don't grab the higher on the rod. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low on the rod.
Coming in.
You got it, man.
Okay.
Woo! That was a drama. Even with the speed net, he still jumped out. I thought I had him, and he fucking lit up. Damn. That's a bruiser. Let's go, baby. They're getting bigger and bigger. Stay high on that rod.
Okay.
Let's get him de-hooked and bled out, and then let's get a team photo.
Yeah.
Baby.
Jesus Christ, look at this. Holy fuck. That rod again in a sec, just so we can try to get untangled here.
All right, Egg.
And then
I'm
just
on video right now.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, baby. Okay, so reel up this slack for me.
Okay.
And let's try to get him. That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, sure is.
Woo! Try to get him unhooked. Get more tangled. Nice hook set.
Yeah, he's a big one. Wow.
There we go. Okay, he's off.
All right.
And it's not too bad a tingle, so I think I'll be able to get it clear.
Yeah.
What is it?
Hey, look at that, Dana. What a nice fish.
Woo!
Pick me up.
Woo!
Thank you, Austin.
My pleasure. Good work. Good job on that fight. That was a great jaw on that thing. Man, that's cool. They're cool fish.
That is a nice fish. I like that.
They look so funny with the big overbite. All right. Yeah. Fantastic. Little video action. How are we feeling in the high wind?
Oh, yeah, we like this stuff.
What a cool fish. Look at that overbite. Oh, they're sweet. How are we feeling?
Good, man. That's what we call fishing.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice one, Dana.
Oh! Try not to go straight overhead, even though it's hard when they're right here. Yeah, just try to keep.